Are you curious on how to kickstart your online presence and potentially grow it into a thriving business? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're breaking down the steps on how to start a YouTube channel from start to finish, incorporating all the latest optimization techniques to ensure your channel stands out and attracts views like never before. Plus, we'll be revealing some key optimization features that often get overlooked. And hey, if you're just starting out on YouTube, congratulations! You're stepping into one of the most powerful platforms for building an online presence and business. Hello, and welcome to the Money Hustle, where earning money online is made easy. On this channel, we offer the most recent strategies for making money online. As a result, if you find this video to be useful, make sure to subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so that you may be the first to watch the latest videos and apply the new and innovative strategies I develop for making money online. Let's begin with step number 1, creating your account. If you've already got a Google account, you're one step ahead. You can skip right through this part. But if not, don't worry, it's easy. Just head on down and hit that Create Account button. Then, you'll want to select for work or My Business if you're planning to treat your YouTube endeavors as a business venture. From there, it's pretty straightforward. Pop in your first and last name, click Next, and fill in some basic info like your birthday. They might also ask you to verify your phone number for added security. Once that's sorted, it's time to choose a name for your Gmail account. Pick something catchy or reflective of your brand. Once you've got your Gmail set up, you're all set to create your YouTube channel and dive into the exciting world of content creation. So whether you're starting from scratch or just need a quick refresher, creating your account is the first step on your journey to YouTube success. Now let's move on to the next step. If you've already got a Google account sorted out, great job. Just click on your profile picture in the top right corner, then navigate down to Settings. From there, it's smooth sailing. Click on Create a New Channel and voila! You're on your way to crafting your very own YouTube space. Now here's the fun part, naming your channel. Whether it's for yourself, a friend, or in this case, your younger sister who's diving into the YouTube scene, give it a name that reflects its purpose. Once you've got the perfect name, tick that box and hit Create. Easy peasy. And if you're stuck on channel name ideas, don't sweat it. Just head on over to ChatGPT for some free inspiration. Simply type in your niche like making money and let the creativity flow. Remember to double-check for any existing channels with similar names and ensure yours stands out. With a little creativity and the right tools, you're well on your way to YouTube success. On the other hand, let's dive into step number 3, customizing your channel. Once your YouTube channel is all set up, accessing it is a breeze. Just click on your profile picture and select View Your Channel. Easy. Right now, let's spruce it up a bit. First things first, we'll add a profile picture. It's simple, just hover over your current profile picture, click it, and upload a new one. Next up, let's add a banner image. This is the backdrop of your channel and sets the tone for your content. With dimensions of 2,560 by 1,440, you'll find plenty of templates to choose from online. Once you've found the perfect one, customize it to fit your channel's vibe. Add your channel name, tweak any text or images, and you're good to go. Once you're satisfied with your banner, save and download it. Then head back to YouTube Studio, upload your banner image, and voila! Your channel is starting to take shape. Remember, you can also add a watermark, a subtle reminder for viewers to subscribe. But hey, if you prefer to keep it minimal, that works too. Click View Your Channel to see the changes in action. It's all about making your channel feel like home, so have fun with it. After all that, you may now unlock all the amazing features available for your channel. One essential feature is adding custom thumbnails to your videos, which can really catch viewers' attention. But hey, some features like this one require a bit of extra verification. Don't worry, we'll walk you through it step by step. Start by heading to your YouTube channel page and clicking on your profile picture in the top right corner. Select YouTube Studio, your go-to spot for analytics, settings, and all the nitty-gritty details of your channel. From there, navigate to the left side and scroll all the way down to Settings. Click on it, then select Channel, and finally, hit Feature Eligibility. Then you can focus on unlocking custom thumbnails. Trust me, it's a game changer and worth doing before you upload a single video. Simply verify your phone number by clicking Verify Phone Number, enter your digits, and wait for that verification code to arrive via text. Once you've got it, enter the code, hit submit, and boom, your phone number is verified and all these amazing features are now enabled. But wait, there's more. Some features, like uploading more videos per day or applying for monetization, require additional verification. For instance, if you want to include external links in your video descriptions for affiliate products or your own business, you'll need to verify further. You've got options here. You can either upload a video of yourself or demonstrate an active channel history. It's a breeze, and soon enough, those features will be at your fingertips. So if you've got links to share from the get-go, make sure to get this verification done early on. Let's dive into step number 5. Optimizing your channel for maximum views and algorithm ranking. These additional settings are game changers in getting your content noticed, so let's get started. To begin, head back to your YouTube studio. From there, navigate to settings on the left-hand side, then click on Channel. Here, you'll want to select your country of residence. For instance, if you're in the United States like me, simply select United States. Under that, you can add keywords related to your channel's niche. For our example, channel about making money online, we'll include keywords like make money online and earn money. Need some inspiration? ChatGPT can help generate keyword ideas to boost your channel's visibility. Now, let's tackle advanced settings. Determine if your channel is made for kids or not. If your content isn't geared towards viewers under 13, select No. Then it's time to set your upload defaults. Head to Upload Defaults under Settings, click on Advanced Settings, and select your video language, category, and title and description language. This will streamline your upload process, saving you time with each new video. Next is to customize your channel for maximum impact. Head to Customization on the left-hand side, click on Featured Sections, and add a popular video section. Highlighting your top-performing videos can drive more views and engagement. You can also add playlists and feature channels to further enhance your viewers' experience. Don't forget to add a channel trailer later on to entice new subscribers. Moving on to basic info, here's where you can tweak your channel's name and handle. Remember, you can change your channel name every 14 days, but choose your handle wisely, as not all handles may be available. Fill out your channel description to give viewers a glimpse of what your channel is all about. ChatGPT can help craft a compelling description tailored to your channel's niche. Let's talk about monetization. Who doesn't want to make money from their YouTube channel? Head to the Earn tab in your YouTube studio to track your progress towards the YouTube Partner Program. Once you hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time, you'll be eligible to monetize your videos. Don't forget to turn on two-step verification for added security and Partner Program eligibility. Lastly, consider utilizing permissions to grant access to others who can help manage your channel. You can assign different roles like moderators or editors to streamline collaboration. Want to boost your subscriber count? Add an auto-subscribe link to your channel by customizing your channel URL. This makes it easier for viewers to subscribe with just one click. By optimizing these settings, you're setting yourself up for success on YouTube. Finally, we are at step number 6. Start uploading and potentially even making money from YouTube. Now that you've set up your channel and optimized it for success, it's time to get those videos out into the world. But don't just upload any old video. Aim for quality content that resonates with your audience. Whether it's tutorials, vlogs, or entertaining skits, make sure each video adds value and keeps viewers coming back for more. Consistency is key here. Establish a regular upload schedule and stick to it. This not only keeps your audience engaged, but also signals to YouTube's algorithm that you're a reliable creator worth promoting. Experiment with different types of content and pay attention to what resonates best with your audience. Now that you've got all the tools and knowledge you need, it's time to take action. But before you go, we'd love to hear from you. What type of content are you most excited to create for your YouTube channel? And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and tutorials. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.